Boleh. Kita. Padala. Sudah. Eleven, pinasa kay John. John, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by number 22. John, nagkakaroon ng bola. Nasa kay number 0. Nasa kay 11. Ano ang number 11? Pass to 23. 23, pass to number 0. No good. Rebound by 23. Pull up. Pass it.
Sure shot.
Number 1. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 0. 0. Pass to 11. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Layup. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Who's ball left? Same ball. Ang score po natin, 0-2. In favor of Alphadog.
Nice.
2 shots
Bra Liam.
by Liam. 23, crossover. Same ball. Cross pass to number 1, 3 points. Wala. Pass to Garcia. Pass to Liam. Pass to Jules. Wala. Rebound by number 23. 23 pull up. Wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 22. Dribbling the ball. Crossover. Back step. Wala. Circle. Substitution. Number 11. Pass to John. 3 points. Number 3. Level layup. Dosa.
Ada boyfriend mo dyan, no? Ada?
Simple. 22 tumira ng 3. Pasok.
Ball story.
points. Rebound by number 0. John makes hook shot. Substitution.
Flick kan där.
Long in, silang in.
Jag har hört ibland en tata.
Plus number 1. Anyone get tres? Rebound by number 0. Pull up. Wala pa din. Rebound by number 25. 25 to 22. Double ang bola. Cut by number 13. Then, pinasa kay 22. Pinasa kay press. Wala. Rebound by Jules. Pasok ng team. Time remaining 13 minutes and 27 seconds. Jerome, bring it up screen. Same ball.
Mike, itim tayo? Yeah.
Mylon. 23, pinasa kay number 1, steal by Sablan. Sablan to 13. Then, pinasa kay number 22, layup. 13. Rebound by number 23. I see you all the way for 2, good for 2 by number 23, Trinidad, all the way from Spain. Now, masyadong mataas ang pinasahan number 16. Out of bounds. Balik na naman sa lockdown ang bola. Now, Francisco, sizing up number 30, almost lost the ball. Let's play. Okay na, play lang. Sit lang. Oy! Same ball possession, Alphadog. Bakiro in, number 22, Garcia out. Tingnan natin. Sinong malalaglag sa dalawang team na to? Alphadog versus lockdown. Papaaga kaya ang inuman ng lockdown. Now, number 23 for rebound. Pass break kay Jerome, tumira ng 3. Wala pa rin. Pero si Jerome, oops! Oh, wala. Foul by number 25, Bailon. First personal foul and first team foul. Ng Alphadog. Play. Number 23. Tumira ng 2. Smooth pero wala. PJ for rebound, now Dale. Dale nag-chill muna, pinasa kay number 6. With number 16, Austin. Austin almost lost the ball. Pinasa ng mababa kay Bailon, tumira ng 2. In and out. And 23 for rebound. Lockdown has the ball. 7-6, 9 minutes remaining in the first half. Good for 3 by number 13. 7 now. Lamang ang lockdown ng dalawa. 8 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Dale! Bumawi ng dress.
Nice, Dale.
Ano rin number 6 ngayon. Alphadog got the ball again. Now Dale. Nag-try rin ng dress.
Nice, Dale.
Lockdown. Lockdown. What a play by Dale Silang. Ngiti naman dyan, Dale. Good for 2 by number 23 of Lockdown. All the way from Spain. Now Austin, number 16. Grabbing the ball. Austin. Oh, pinasa dapat kay Arvin, pero hindi nabasa ni Arvin. Okay lang yan, Vin. Huwag kang pangilangan ng loob. Red Dog, number 55. Now Trinidad. To number 34, Diaz. To JP. JP all the way. Reverse shot. 2 for 2 by number 13. All the way from Spain. Now Austin, number 16. Natapik ni Jerome. 13. Going all the way past to draw number 6. Move back to number 13. For Islas. Timeout! Alphadog! 7 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. 13-15 lamang ng dalawa ang Spain. Number 24, 22. Pass to number 6. Now Silang has the ball. Silang sizing up with number 6 of Lockdown. Going all the way in. Silang for 2. Good for 2 by number 13. Dale Silang. Now Diaz. Diaz of Spain. Lockdown number 34. Almost lost the ball, but Jerome got it. Now Jerome. Tumira ng Torres. A little bit short. Nasa plan with the rebound. Lost the ball. Number 23. Trinidad got the ball. 13 for 2. No good. Last touch. Which ball? A ball. Lockdown ball. That number 23. We're back in dress. Okay. Trinidad versus Austin for 2. No good, but he gets the rebound. Nakagood again. Nasa plan. Sa plan. Pinababa ang bola. Sa plan. Almost lost the ball. Sa plan. Pinabahan. Now, lockdown. Trinidad. Good for 2. Easy lay in by number 23. Lockdown. Trinidad. Ronald Trinidad. Garcia lost the ball. One steal by number 23. Now looking for play. Pass to Jerome Francisco. Francisco. Spinning. Lost the ball, but number 30 is there. Recover. And now Diaz, number 34. Back to Jerome Francisco for 3. Still no good. But they got the ball. Number 30. Oh, too strong, but not good. 13. What's the call there? Foul on number 6 of Alphadog. Diaz to Trinidad. Trinidad tumira ng 3. Wala. Now number 6 for rebound to Garcia. Garcia chilling. Pass to number 6. Number 6 for 3. Airball. Now Diaz number 34 to number 13. Number 13 to number 6. Back to Diaz, number 34. Pinipwede sa loob. What's happening? I don't know. Trinidad, number 23 to 30 to number 6. 6. Holding up. Now number 13. Has the ball. 13. Diaz for 2. Good for 2. Point number 34 of Lockdown. Score is 15-19 in favor of Lockdown. Spain. Now Garcia. Garcia lost the ball. Same ball possession. Substitution ref. Dolor team number 2, number 20 in. Austin out. Saplan out. Now number 14. No good for 3. Lockdown got the ball. Diaz going all the way. Lost the ball. Alphadog ball. 15-19. Lamang ng apat ang lockdown all the way from Spain. Alphadog. Now Garcia. Ang point guard ng Alphadog. Find number 2 to number 20 DJ to number 22 Garcia for 3. Good for 3 by number 22 Garcia. Now Jerome for 3. No good. Garcia got the ball. Going coast to coast. Pass to PJ. Now PJ to number 2 to Garcia. Garcia tries again on the 3. No good this time. Number 34 got the ball. Locked down to 13. Number 13 all the way. And a foul is connected. Foul on number 30. 13. Number 13. Sub. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Lamang ng isa ang lockdown 19-18. First shot. First shot is good. First shot is good. 13. Last shot ready for rebound. Second shot is also used. 21-18. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Now Garcia, point guard, number 22. Moving the ball to Dolor to number 2. Number 2. Back to Garcia, number 22. Inside to number 24. But lost the ball. Now, number 13. Going all the way, lost the ball. 21-18. Now number 2. Number 2 lost the ball. Another turnover. Number 23 all the way, and a foul called on number 24. 2 shots. Fourth team foul. First shot. First shot is good. Substitution. Second shot no good. PJ for rebound. Now PJ to Dolor. Dolor to number 22, the point guard. Back to PJ, number 21. Pass. Substitution. 40 seconds remaining. Tumatakbo ang oras. 22-18 lamang ang lockdown. Now number 4. Inababa ang bola number 4 Diaz to number 13 for 2. Good for 2 by number 13. 20 seconds remaining. Now Garcia, number 22 to number 24 to number 2. Now PJ got the ball for 3. No good. Number 4 got the ball. 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it for the first half. 18-24 in favor of lockdown Spain. Mendoza to Bailon, number 25. Back to Mendoza. Mr. Halftime lost the ball. Now lockdown got the ball. Number 1 Evangelista to number 6 to number 4 for 3. Long range shots, no good. 31 Dolor is there for rebound. Now Mr. Halftime lost the ball again. Number 23 Trinidad. Oh, and a foul is called on number. I cannot see where. On the number. Foul on number 16. Austin. Sila to, Trinidad. Nasa labas. Sumaharap ng papasahan na hanap si Diaz. To number 1, Evangelista. Tumira ng long range 3. No good. Now Dolor again for another rebound. 25 to 13. Dale Silang. Pinababa ang bola. Dale. What a pass to Austin. Na Austin. To number 22. Back to Dale Silang for 3. No good, but Dolor is there for rebound. But lost the ball. Locked down.
Sayang.
Possession.
Pareho ba, Liam?
Score is 18-24 in favor of Lockdown Hoops from Spain. Now Diaz. Diaz, nag-agaw ang bola ng number 22, Garcia going all the way, Bailon. Number 25, may gundigot, nagkaroon ng papasahan. Bailon, pinasa kay number 22, Garcia. Garcia to Dolor, number 31 to Garcia, number 13. Number pinatiga. Now Austin has the ball. Tumira ng Teres. Rebound by number 34 of Lockdown. Pinasa kay number 1 Evangelista. Tumira. No good. But out of bounds. Same ball possession. Substitution ref. Trinidad, mamaya ka na daw. Bigonya in. Number 34, Diaz. Grabe yung move. Sinalaksak. Sa kanya rin ang rebound. Pero he lost the ball. Alphadog possession. Now Dale Silang pinababa ang bola. Looking for play. Now number 22, Garcia. Slender man. Okay, I see you. Want to step back, but no good. A little bit short, but he got the rebound. Now Dale Silang. Nagpeke, wala reverse, but no good. Evangelista got the ball. Evangelista to number 4. And to number 34 to number 4. One, a shot. Top shot by number 4. Good for 2. 18-26. 16 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Pinasa kay Austin, number 16. Uy. Igor na, sumalaksak. Wala ang bola, nakuha ni Dolor. Now number 25. Today silang pinababa ang bola. Today to Austin, to number 22 Garcia. Gagawa sila ng play. Okay, let's see. Okay. Number 22 for 3. Too strong. By number 2 and 1. Foul on number 34. Substitution. Now Diaz. Hindi ko na ang corner mo. Pero sumalaksak. Good for number 20, Garcia. Slender man to sa plan. Number 30. Pinilit, pero wala. Number 34. Pinag ko kay Jerome. Sorry.
Aflink? Aflink yun. Gitong kang play off.
Pag-ilisa malaya ka pala si Jerome. Jerome.
Aflink.
14 minutes and 45 seconds. 21-28 lamang ng pito ang lockdown. Alright. Oh, na-slipper ni Dale ang bola. Now number 30, Dale Silang. Ito, tumira. Wala. 23 off lockdown got the ball. 23 pinababa ang bola. Trinidad pinasa. One pass and the foul is called on number 25. 2 shots. Number 4, what a pass to Trinidad. Easy lay in by number 23. Alright. Lamang na ng 10 ang lockdown. Mr. Halftime, no good. Now 34 has the ball. 34 to number 4. Diaz for 3. Too strong. But 23 Trinidad is there for rebound. Now Diaz for number 2. Dale Silang, pinababa ang bola. Dale, whoop, No good. Pero sa kanya pa rin ang rebound. Around. Stepping. Substitution ref. Number 25 out by loss. 20 request of in. Number 13 out. And number 2 in. Now number 23, Trinidad. Ay number 4, Diaz. Diaz nag-hesitate pero tumira pa rin ang 3. Good for 3.
Wow,
Grabe ang taas nun. Walang makakabot nun.
Walang serious.
Sa plan, to PJ, request to Dolor. Dolor, looking for play. Dolor, sa plan, tumira ng 3. Come on. Number 4, Diaz. Tumira ng 3 ulit. A little bit short. PJ for rebound. Now PJ to Dolor. Chill lang daw, chill lang. Okay. Pero si Saplan gusto bumawi. Anong tawag ref? Foul on number 20 in that of lockdown. Substitution ref. Ayan na. Inasap na si Jerome. Number 2, umeke. Tumira ng 2. Wala. Nakuha ng number 20 ng rebound. Now Trinidad. Going close to post. Trinidad. Good for 2. 36, 21. 11 is really among.
Ano yan?
Lockdown.
Mahaba, no? Yeah.
Now Jules, reverse shot, number 2, a little bit short. It's okay, number 13, pass to number 11, Cyron. Cyron, pass to let's go. Good for 2. Plan number 30. Babawi kaya kay Cyron. Okay, I see you. Woo! Hello. Good for 2. Time out! Alphadog. Score is 21-40. Lamang ng 19 ang lockdown. 10 minutes and 14 seconds remaining in second half. Pero number 30 to Cyron. Nahawakan. Now Francisco. Francisco pumasok sa loob. Wala. Si PJ. Nakakatadosan na kayo ng bola. Pinababa. Mr. Hamzan. Nakaabot niya number 6. Susunod Francisco number Cyron for Tulog. Wala. Pero kinatawagan ng teammate. Now number 13. No look pass to Lorna. Blocked by Dolor. Pakilyo number 6. Pumasok sa loob na kay PJ. Lost the ball. Lockdown. Possession. Pero
Gori bra, Liam. Gori bra. Oh, yeah.
Now number 9 Francisco. Pero ginahanap na ni Chika. Number 6 John. Nakago na Alphadog ng bola. Now ang left nakisali. Number 6 Bakilyo all the way for 2, no good. Number 6 is there for rebound. Lockdown has the ball. John pass to number 13. Pinasa kay Bigorna for 2. Still no good. Now Dave Silang has the ball. What a steal, but substitution. Cyron out. Bawal magreklamo. Ay, bawal magreklamo. Hindi ka tayo. Now Pakilyo. Number 6. Score is 21-40. Dapat ang lockdown. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Francisco
tumira ng 3. Ubos ang Alamares by Francisco, number 9. Number 2. Team Tubakilyo, number 6. Naago ni Francisco, number 9. Pinasa ng Evangelista, number 1. Tumira ng 3. No good. Pero John got the ball. John for 2. Good for 2 by number 6. Good. Team number 2. Pinapantay ni Francisco ni John. 6 and 9 versus number 2. Number 9 stole the ball. Now number 9. Number 9, tumira ng 3 para kay Jessica. Tama na. Para kay Jessica daw yun. Okay, silang. Para kanina naman kaya to. Silang, hindi ka maagaw. Pinasa kay PJ. Number 2, tumira ng 3. No good. Now number 13. Binababa ang bola. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa kay number 1 Evangelista. Tumbigol niya. Sayang. Pero nakuha niya ang rebound. Tumira ng 2. Wala pa rin. PJ for rebound. Now RDB. Red Dog. Okay, wait silang look for play. Pinasa kay number 6, Bakilyo. Now Bakilyo. Bakilyo to number 20, PJ. Now PJ sizing up. Trying to go in. And a foul is called on number 6. Lucky foul. Substitution. Diaz number 4 in. Francisco out. Nagagalit. Nag-iinit, nilabas. Oy, hindi na pwede bumalik. Hindi na pwede bumalik. Pinagtriban daw. Score is 48-21. 5 minutes remaining in the second half. Substitution ref. Shotgun in, PJ out. Red Dog stays in, number 55. Alright, now Diaz. Randy Diaz, number 4. Pinasa kay John, number 6. Back to number 4, Randy. Oh, what a pass to Bigorna, number 0. Kevin. Wala. Ang lakas masyado. Hindi inabot. Out of bounds. Lockdown. 22-48. 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Nalamang ang lockdown Hoopers. Mukhang malalaglag na ang Alphadog. Now number 4, Diaz to number 6. Number 6. Okay, number 2. Okay, 69 shotgun. No good. Number 13 got the ball. 30. Pinasa kay Diaz, number 4. Randy to 30. To PJ. No good. PJ. Like. Oh, Jepo. Alright, number 24. Pinasa kay number 69 shotgun. Substitution referee.
69.
Ilabas si number 4. Pinasa si Sayron. Para sa tulog.
Okay.
Alright, Sayron number 11. Pinasa kay Kevin. Kevin Israel. Wala. Ayaw talaga. Now Garcia number 22. Sumalaksak. Oy! Nablock ni number 13. Substitution ref. Ipasok nyo si number 16 at number 6 ilabas nyo si Red Dogs at number 3. Bola, number 6. That's the ball.
Soul spot.
Number 6.
Dalawang set.
No good.
900.
Number 6 got the ball, but for Alphadog. Alphadog, number 6 to number 22 Garcia almost lost the ball. 4-3. No good. Now Randy. Dito, Good for 2 by number 13. Number 6, Bakilo. Oh, nakagaw ni Siron. Siron going cross. Siron para magtahon. Good for 2! Siron tumon. Labas mo siya. 52-22, lamang ng renta. Oy! Nagpapag tricks, labas niyo na yan. Nakila number 6 to 22. Oh! Aliw, pero hindi kumakato. Number 24, good for 2 by number 24.
Yan, numero.
2 minutes remaining.
Nanay.
Kaya pa yan. Okay, Siron. Okay, I see you. 13 to number 1, Evangelista. Evangelista para saan? Pinalik kay Siron. Siron to number 6, John. Oh, nakagulo. Number 16, Austin. Austin. Going close to close. Ay, pinasa ito, pinasa kay shotgun. Wala na, slide. Okay, Siron, para sa tuhol. Ay, pinasa. Ay, pinasa. Good for 2 by number 1, Evangelista. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 24-54. Amang ng tatlo. Tatlong po. Austin for 2, no good. Number 13 for rebound. 13, Evangelista. Wala, dito yung bola. Now Garcia. Okay. For a pass to number 6, Bakilio for 3. No good. 13 to Siron. Alright. Siron, game time. Long 3. Siron to run. Good for 3 by Siron for to run. 57-24. Okay, Austin tumalaksak. Wala. 13. Okay, 13 to number 6. Strong. Oy, walang sab. 10 seconds remaining. Congratulations, Alphadog. Aga na pa uwi. I guess the Spain will not go home today.
Good, thank you.